Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rama Putratama. Today I would like to present my topic about reforestation, restoring forest for a sustainable future. This presentation will discuss what reforestation is, its benefits, and some real world case studies from different regions. First, let's talk about what reforestation means. Reforestation is the process replanting trees in area where forests have been damaged or destroyed due to logging, agriculture, or natural disaster. Currently, forests cover about 31% of the Earth's land surface. However, global forest areas are still declining. This is why reforestation is very important, especially to restore ecosystem and protect the environment for future generation. Environment benefit healing our planet. Reforestation provides many environmental benefits. The first, carbon sequestration. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which help reduce climate change. Second, reforestation support biodiversity. Forests are home to many species of plant and animals. In addition, trees improve air and water quality by reducing pollution and preventing soil erosion. Reforestation also help regulate local climate and reduce the risk of floods and landslides. Economic benefit cultivating prosperity. Besides environmental benefits, reforestation also brings economic advantage. Reforestation project can create jobs, especially in rural areas such as tree planting, forest management, and monitoring. Reforestation also improves agriculture by increasing soil fertility and supporting pollinators. Moreover, forests can generate income through ecotourism and carbon markets, making reforestation beneficial for long-term economic development. Agriculture and soil health. Restore forest and agroforestry, improve soil fertility, increase pollinator habitat, and boost crop productivity, leading to better yields for local farmer. Okay, next, social benefit, empowering communities. In this slide, reforestation also has important social benefits. Many communities depend on forests for their livelihoods, food, and energy. Reforestation helps ensure their resources remain available. Forests also contribute to human health by providing clean air, clean water, and medical plants. In addition, involving local communities in reforestation programs can improve education, cultural preservation, and social well-being. In this slide 6, case study Brazil Atlantic Forest Restoration. Now let's look at a case study from Brazil. Brazil Atlantic Forest has lost more than 90% of its original area due to deforestation in Brazil. Historical loss. Brazil Atlantic Forest, once covering most of the coast, has been over 90%. Crucial water source in Brazil is 120 million people in Brazil. Argentina and Paraguay depend on Atlantic Forest watersheds for drinking water and hydropower. restoration protects vital water supplies and climate regulation. Okay, next case study Indonesia mangrove reforestation. The next studies from Indonesia. Indonesia has the large mangrove trees and forests in the world, which are very important for coastal protection and fisheries. Mangrove reforestation projects involve local communities in planting mangrove trees. As a result, coastal areas are better protected from erosion, and local fishermen experience increased fish and crab population in this area. This shows that forestation can directly improve people's livelihoods. This is a World Bank program has incentivized villagers to plant mangrove, leading to increased fishery yields and income. Replanting Indonesia in 1.7 million hectares of degraded mangrove could sequester millions of tons CO2, demonstrating how community-based reforestation simultaneously yields environmental and social gains. Okay, next case studies Africa Great Green Wall. Another interesting example is the Great Green Wall project in Africa. This initiative aims to restore degraded land across the Sahel region by planting millions of trees. The projects help combat desertification, improve soil quality, and create jobs for local communities. Although there are still challenges, these projects show that large-scale reforestation can have a positive impact on both people and the environment. This is studies from Africa Great Green Wall. Next, visualizing deforestation versus reforestation. This is deforestation and this is reforestation. This data statistic in forest cover and CO2 trends in -6 in South America. Conclusion, a call to action for a greener future. This slide in conclusion for action for a greener future. In one, triple benefits. Reforestation offers significant environmental, economic, and social benefits. Mitigating climate change, restoring biodiversity, protecting water resource, and supporting community livelihoods. Okay. Land conserving existing forests is as vital as planting new ones, as old forests store immense carbon. Together, this action can capture large portion of our emission budgets. Protecting exciting forests and restoring degraded ones must go together. As students, we can contribute by raising awareness, supporting environmental programs, and participating in reforestation activities. Okay. Thank you for attention.